Ever wondered how to elevate your garden experience to the next level? Imagine the joy of creating a sensory haven right in your backyard, one that's filled with the intoxicating scents of aromatic plants. Well, today we're diving into the top 5 aromatic plants that will transform your garden into a sensory haven. Number 1 on our list is lavender. Known for its calming and relaxing properties, lavender boasts a sweet floral scent with a hint of herbaceous undertones. It's the perfect plant to help you unwind after a long day. Next up we have rosemary. This evergreen herb doesn't just belong in your kitchen. Its strong, woodsy aroma can invigorate your senses and boost your mood, making it a great addition to any garden. Third on our list is jasmine. Its intoxicatingly sweet and exotic scent is often associated with romance and relaxation. Plus, it's a night-blooming plant, so you can enjoy its fragrance in the cool evening air. Coming in at number 4, we have mint. This easy-to-grow herb offers a fresh, cool scent that can help clear your mind and refresh your senses. It's also a great plant to have on hand for a refreshing summer beverage. Last but certainly not least, we have basil. This popular culinary herb isn't just for pesto. Its sweet and slightly peppery scent can help to create a stimulating environment that's perfect for those days when you need a little pick-me-up. And that concludes our list of the top 5 aromatic plants for your garden. We hope this list inspires you to add some aroma to your garden. Your time and interest mean the world to us. If you've had any delightful encounters with aromatic plants, we'd love to hear about them. Sharing your experiences in the comments could inspire others to embark on their own sensory garden journey. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.